Okay, we're working on 8-3. These problems we are actually going to do. And we've got problems 4 through 9. We've got 6 problems to get started on. So hopefully you'll see that this is really not as hard as it looks. So I'm looking for two numbers. It's going to look like this. X plus something times x plus something. And these two numbers are going to multiply, and the answer is going to be 3. But when I add them, I'm going to get 4. Well, the only thing that multiplies, if everything's positive, I should say that. So the only thing that multiplies to give 3 is 1 and 3. And of course, 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now, I'm finished with this problem, but I'm just going to talk a little bit more about it. I want to connect it with what we've done before. When I multiply x plus 1 times x plus 3, I get x to the second power, that's this part. I get x times 3, and I get 1 times x. And when I add these, I get 4x, that's that part. And of course, 1 times 3 equals 3, that's that part. So what this actually is x squared plus 1x plus 3x plus 3. And we can factor it using a table like this. But, like I said, what two numbers multiply to give this, add to give that, that's going to give me my factors. What two numbers multiply to give 16 but add to give 10? Okay, 16 has a lot of factors. Let's try it. And everything's positive. That's positive. That's positive. So 1 times 16, that equals 16. 1 plus 16 equals 17. Nope. What about 2 times 8? Yeah, that works. If I missed it, I would try 4 times 4, but that doesn't work. That's it. So it's x plus 2 times x plus 8. And you can make a multiplication chart and remultiply it and see if you got it right. But that's all you need to do. What two numbers multiply to give 44 but add to give 15? 1 times 44. And again, for these problems, the last number is going to be positive. Since that's positive, both of these are going to be positive. Everything's positive. 1 plus 44 is 45. Nope. 2 times 22 works. That adds up to 24. No, that doesn't work. 3 is not a factor of 44, but 4 is. 4 times 11. 4 plus 11 equals 15. There they are. So it's x plus 4 times x plus 11. Now for the last 3 problems, when I multiply I get a positive, but when I add I get a negative. That means that both of them have to be negative. So what multiplies to give positive 6 but adds to give negative 7? Negative 1 times negative 6. Actually, that's it. I could try negative 2 times negative 3, but that adds to negative 5. That's it. So this is x subtract 1 times x subtract 6. Same type of problems. Multiply, I get positive. Add, I get negative. Both of them are going to be negative. What multiplies to give positive 14, but adds to give a negative 9? Negative 1 times negative 14. Multiply, get positive 14. Add, I get negative 15. That's not it. Negative 2 times negative 7. Multiply, I get negative or positive 14. Add, I get negative 9. That's it. And actually, those are the only ones I have. So this is going to be x subtract 2 times x subtract 7. And finally, for this video, what multiplies to give positive 24 but adds to give negative 11? One more time. If they multiply to give a positive but they add to give a negative, that means both of them are going to be negative. Negative 1 and negative 24. That adds up to negative 25. Keep trying. Negative 2 and negative 12. The sum of those, I should use technical language, the sum of that is negative 14. Still not there. Negative 3 and negative 8. Negative 3 plus negative 8 does equal negative 11. So that's the winner. I could also try negative 4 and negative 6, but that's not going to work. So this is x subtract 3 times x subtract 8. All right, rewind those, pause them, look at the slides. We'll see you in the next video.